Operators face problems of their own as they are largely profit-driven. They are forced to generate a revenue surplus in order to cover their expansive operating costs and support company growth. They must deal with ever-changing costs from the software providers they are reliant on, and often encounter large development fees to maintain their service. Operating cost dictates everything. Operators also have to comply with evolving legislation and requirements, enforce KYC, limit their own marketplace and potential gain, and pay whatever fees governments dictate. Typical industry solutions to the issues described have been to cut costs by manipulating their workforce numbers and maximizing the average profit on each user. GAMBL provides a different level of solution, one that overhauls the original framework of the industry, improves it at its core, and eliminates the problems at the root rather than making reactionary moves to surface issues that lead to instability. GAMBL provides operators with a much lower-cost solution, a lower entry barrier, access to a global player pool, and higher profit retention. The distributed nature of the system greatly reduces the need and associated cost of centralized operation by incentivizing operator nodes to validate transactions, verify gaming data, and trigger the execution of smart contracts for bet placement and resolution. Operators lock coins as collateral to create their own sportsbook on the platform. Operator nodes achieve consensus to feed events and odds data to the blockchain via APIs and execute smart contracts for bet placement and resolution. As the blockchain relies on operator nodes feeding correct data, they must be incentivized to accurately perform their duties. They are rewarded through a remarkable 90% rate of profit retention on bets placed and verified through their node. The remaining 10% of profits are removed from the total supply or destroyed. Operator nodes may join the consensus pool of nodes or operate individually, providing their own sportsbook to users. In the case of the latter, operator nodes must possess and lock a sufficient number of GAMBL coins to meet any potential liability taken on through bets on their own sportsbook service. GAMBL allows for anybody to enter the marketplace as an operator on the platform, from budding entrepreneurs to established and long-existing operators in the traditional industry. To find out more about GAMBL, the blockchain you can bet on, visit gambl.io and get in the game today.